Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are liking my videos. So today I'm going to focus about one particular type of academic task, that is our process chart. So this is our process chart. So here you can see this is basically a diagram. There are two diagrams. One diagram is of cement production and the second diagram is of concrete production. So first I will discuss about its introduction, in which we will paraphrase this particular line. So let's start with the paraphrasing, that is introduction. So our introduction would be the stages, because they have given the stages that it undergo, rollers and everything. So the first would be stages and equipment, because machines are also involved, so that would be equipment. Stages and equipment involved in production of cement. They have written cement making, so we can write production of cement, which further used, because cement is being used for concrete, which is further used, oh sorry, I just missed the is here, which is further used in concrete making, because the cement is used in concrete making, are depicted by pictorial representation. What I did, I used the word pictorial representation in the place of diagram. So this would be our introduction. First diagram, you can see the two things are being mixed, limestone and clay. So we will focus that. Whereas in second picture you can see the four are the main ingredients. So we will compare these two things in an overall, because in overall we usually write the most striking point which can be observed by anyone or which can be focused at first glance. So our overall would be, overall the limestone and clay are the main contents of cement, whereas other than cement, water, sand and gravel are required to produce concrete. So what I did here, I basically compared the ingredients, you can say, or contents. I compared the contents because that was the most easiest thing. So we can compare the contents of the thing. Other than this, I also have second option of overall. Now I will discuss about that. So the second type of conclusion would be, here I would compare the stages. For example, if you can see that in first diagram there are various stages, like in first stage they are crushing, then in second stage they are mixing, in third stage they are heating, in the fourth stage they are grinding and then packing. So it has different stages, but in second diagram you can see, in second picture you can see that it is the only phase is going on, that is your mixing. So we would compare these things. So our overall would be, overall the cement making has various steps like crushing, mixing, heating, grinding, whereas the concrete is made only by mixing all the contents. Our first point would be, at first the crushing is performed, because they have mentioned there are crushers, so the stage name would be crushing. So we would say the crushing is performed by adding two materials, namely limestone and clay, to convert them in powder form. If you can see, after crushing they made a heap of powder. So we can see that after crushing, you can say they are being converted into powder form. So our sentence would be, at first the crushing is performed by adding two materials, namely limestone and clay, to convert them in powder form. Add a connector, that would be afterwards. So now we would focus on the second step. In the second step, if you can see, then the powder is going in a container which is labeled as mixer. So you can write, the powder is being mixed powder is being mixed in a cylindrical container. If you can see that its shape is cylindrical container which has a bended pipe. You can see there is a bend in a pipe at the end. So this would be our one sentence. Moreover, you would add a connector because now you are going to talk about this pipe only. Moreover, this long pipe connects to rotating heater that is moving in clockwise direction. If you can see, they have given a symbol to you which is showing that it is moving in clockwise direction. So this would be our two next. In next stage, as you can see, the heating is done. So we would talk about, again we would use a passive sentence. We would write further, we would add a connector. The heating is done. This is a process, heating is done by a source. If you can see, there is a source at the bottom. Source present at the bottom of heater from which material is, sorry, you have to add the, from which the material is coming directly to grinder. You can see the material is coming out from the mix from that heater and it is coming on the shelf of the grinder. So you would say from which the material is coming directly to the grinder. We will talk about the last step, which is you can use the connector. In the end, the cement is ready for packaging in big bags. If you can see, they have shown the bags. So obviously it is for packaging. So you would say in the end, cement is ready for packaging in big bags. Now we will change the paragraph. That is why I used a different color here. Now you will change the paragraph. You will put a connector here that is moving ahead. It means you are moving to the further process. The produced cement, because cement is being produced here, the produced cement contributes 15% to the concrete making along with water, sand and gravel. So this would be the first sentence of BP 2. Now look at your left lower corner. You can see there they have written gravel is small stone. So we would also use that information because every information is essential to use, or even you can say important to use. So now our idea or our sentence would be here. You would use here. Gravel has small stones and it contributes half of the total material, because if we see it has major contribution. So you would use small stones contribute half of the total material. Then this is also connected. Then all contents undergo mixing in a container which has a conical upper body. If you can see, this is the cone. So it has this kind of body and has a flat base. So you can say which has a conical upper body with the flat base. So what I did here, I explained the shape of the mixture to achieve my word limit. The last sentence of our task 1, that would be more so, because we are continuing that thing. More so the concrete gets produced. Why are you, even you can use is produced. That would be passive sentence, but as we already use number of passive sentence, so that is why I tried to change it in our present indefinite to simple present by the clockwise motion, because if you can see they have given like these arrows, motion of mixture. So this would be the process chart, because in process chart we not only focus that we should cover all the phases or all the stages, but we should also focus that we can use the variety of the sentence. So if you focus that in whole task 1 I used various sentences, I used passive tense, I used simple present, I used continuous. So this is the way you can use the variety of tense, because this variety of tense will help you to boost your score. And in this type of task, it is not difficult to get more than 8 band. Yes, more than 8 bands. So for more instructions, follow my Instagram account and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the full videos.